So this hose here it's not really an unboxing. So this hose I just ordered off of Amazon, and I wanted to discuss a little bit about it. This is made by Rainbow. Before we actually get very deep into it, I'm going to explain some of the things about it. So this is so this hose comes in different sizes. You have a 10-foot hose, you have a 25-foot hose, which is this one here, and you also have a 50-foot hose. It features a 5/8 inch inner diameter for optimal water flow. It's paired with a durable 300. And it's also paired with a durable 3/4 of an inch GHT brass fitting for leak-proof connections, as you can see here. No kinks, very lightweight. This hose is made with super flexible rubber material, stays smooth and tangle-free, which is what I love. You never waste time untwisting it like the old school hoses. Just grab it, spray, and roll it up. Super easy to store in a shed or a garage. Lightweight. I wish you guys could feel what I'm feeling, like wherever you're at. Super lightweight. No more kink mess, so say hello to stress-free watering. Now this is how it came in the box. You actually get some Teflon tape so you can put it around your hose spigot just for additional leak-proof stuff. I'll take the plastic wrap off here. As you can see here, they actually give you the rubber gaskets for the inner diameter of the hose. Another thing too, this hose here, it's all-weather performance, so to withstand negative 18.5 degrees up to 150 degrees Fahrenheit. It's got a crush-proof fitting and an abrasion-resistant construction for reliable, believe it or not, year-round use, which is what I like. Now, most people shut their water down in the winter time, and we live in the eastern side of the United States, so in Ohio, so we'll probably not use this during the winter, but I'm just letting you know that it has the ability to be used year-round. So a little bit more about this hose. It has a like I said earlier, a 3/4 inch GHT copper fitting with male-female threads, as you can see here. Male-female threads. The water hose is actually designed to operate safely under continuous working pressure of 200 PSI or pounds per square inch with a maximum burst pressure tolerance of 600 PSI. Just something to keep in mind. So, real simple. All you would need to do, and I'm sure, not insulting your intelligence, I'm sure many of you guys have put a hose on. Again, in the case of this one here, pull off the plastic. It's got one more little pull this off. And as you can see, it even has another sleeve, and this is just to keep it together during shipping. I wish you guys could actually feel what I'm feeling. This thing is super lightweight. And as you can see behind me, we have a pool. So we use this hose a lot, whether it's cleaning out our filters or it's cleaning out the deck next to it, or our little machines that actually clean the bottom of the pool. So we use some super important for us to have a hose right here, right next to the house. But again, this is a 25-foot hose, as you can see, super easy. So now all you would need to do is find your take your female end here, as you can see. Take your female end here, as you can see. Open up your little baggie. Definitely want to use the supplied gaskets. Put a gasket on. Oh, okay, I was mistaken. This actually comes with a gasket. These are just additional, so they give you 3 additional gaskets as well. Pretty awesome. So we're actually going to hook this hose up. I'm not going to use the Teflon tape that I mentioned earlier because I believe I'm not going to use the Teflon tape. I'm going to hook this up. So I'm not going to use the Teflon tape because I believe that this would hold good enough with just the gasket. But I am going to in a little bit put a hose connector on the bottom of this. But again, look at how easy this is. Look at how easy this is just bunched up. Super simple. Man, I wish you guys could feel what I'm feeling. This feels like it weighs about not even a pound. That's how lightweight this thing is. So again, if you're looking for a good hose that actually gives you extra gaskets, that gives you the Teflon tape that you can see down there. Actually, let me move this one out of the way. So if you're looking for, so now that we have this hooked up, I'm actually going to use this to keep it out here because we're only in the beginning of October. So we're going to still be using this hose a little bit. And I'm going to take one of my hose sprayers and put on the end there. And I'll probably use one of these additional gaskets to put inside of here or on the edge for the new, when I put the spray nozzle on. But again, super simple. As you can see, like I said earlier, we did not use the Teflon tape. I don't believe this will leak at all. And this is where this is going to stay. Again, made by Rainbro, 5/8 inch diameter hose, super lightweight, made to be used throughout the year. Again, working pressure of 200 PSI and a maximum burst pressure of 600 PSI. So if you're pushing more than 600 PSI through this thing, which nobody should unless you're in a commercial application, this thing will be amazing for your house. So I'll make sure I link it down below. Make sure you click it. If nothing else, read up on it, because even though we're getting close to the end of the season, you want to have this in place. And even though we're getting close to the end of the season, it's super important to have a good quality, especially lightweight hoses. I have some hoses that are so freaking heavy, they make it hard to even maneuver around. So again, I'll make sure I link this one down below so you can check it out.